if you come in Kroma Breso, there were only 2 exit and entry point to Tema. One for motorway, I'll be fine for Beach Road. And now yet he nana do danko ekufuado aban e dey another exit and entry point Kantema ho come to 12 is being connected to Klagom over that river gata kesi efi asama ebetwe mu ekobo punimu ye de kwan ba akoto so na bra pani aban ben no beba obetimi aye free senior high school eboka say now we continue to make our roads better, our infrastructure in terms of education better. NDC for some see blocks anamwa
yeah
rapeni ye blocks de hu nyina air 4 structures o what o boy
air 4 yeah
air 4 structures
see and I see
me see no what do you tell me it is the teachers headmasters bungalow air story build ya twaso miensa the ye block itself any dining hall oman for blog okran to home 4 structures. Let's go to
4 structures
on the ye block.
Almost using teachers bungalow.
Me see teachers bungalow no one building na twaso miensa
and almost your baby and selected schools because
you are
tricycle 1 2 3
and the name means
yo rapani so when you go into ye blocks and their structures no obehu adan baako 9 but let's go to education ministry STEM schools are yen na do dan kwekufu ado aban AC me pacho baako pe it's like ye blocks are ye dia bomu 10 abomosu yes ye bi ho
abomosu yes
Eastern region when Yamuchefa go and take the number of structures on that land that you from senior high school Bakope.
Eric Mpacho made the Abomosu video ascendo.
Thank you.
Shana Yahu Jumasante na factus na atiefo.
Thank you.
Na school no I say
university
university says Sunyana de ade nyina no. Now we say Martin.
This is not university.
Now you fine.
Wait. Any university assembly ya kawo
enti asante de beto so na mo hwe ayi ho ayi misi ho abomosu eno na ya ready ohu school na we video enye pictures na no ye the pictures by we the video na dey aba na mo hwe sani sitie kwasi to as video ni beba
so me ye ka che Ghana for ni through MPP for sabin previous o ma ya disgruntled the say eye MPP aban pe ene wo Ghana at heart aye betimi sisi Ghana ye abotre ne wo say yenya. I was challenging my communicators in Adenta say in the history of this political party obi eni wo beka say MPP aban ba ye onya hweda and I explained to them why they must not say me nya hweda and after the explanation they got to know say ne wo kana ye no kre. This is how we must put ourselves together say nana do danko ekufuado aban ni MPP aban we have a future for this country na nya koto beton da na ye die ene brapani let's take baby to say ambulances nana do danko ekufuado de bae ana no na mahama gina baby ka say ehe na wo di ambulances no o fa yarefo na wo di omobeko obi 20 what was into the hospital you built in your green book but the ambulance alone are creating job opportunity for thousands of Ghanaians.
Kwasi Mpacho video Abomosu school ni
yo
and Judy wuti Mpacho bra Facebook a movement TV movement TV on Facebook movement TV on Facebook where senior high school STEM senior high school and Abomosu dey ready next academic year e best start here Fankola her classroom
this is what we call a government with a vision.
Enti Mpacho brabehwe sisi ya Facebook no a movement TV on Facebook and na hwede ura na ko YouTube Abomosu we Abomosu dey na ready wow
me dream
no ever friend Abomosu wonderful
look at this
wonderful
yeah
and brapani yeah dekra wo me say
look at the assistant headmaster's bank
yes
where say
enti ya level ni nyina so nti Acquah behu
COB official bangalo
ya o de Acquah mo behu nyina enti mo de amomra Facebook ne so na mo mehwe video ni bi we senior high school STEM ne science technology engineering